In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert social icons into Microsoft Word. Adding social media icons to your documents is an easy and effective way to make them look professional and well-organized. Whether you are designing a resume, a business letter, a brochure, or a marketing flyer, including social icons helps your audience quickly recognize your online presence. Instead of typing long web addresses, you can use clean, visually appealing symbols that clearly show where people can connect with you. To start, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once your file is open, place your cursor in the exact location where you want the icon to appear. This could be in the header, the footer, or directly in the main body of the document. Placing your cursor first ensures that the icon will be inserted precisely where you need it. Next, go to the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab. From there, select Pictures, then click this device to choose an image from your computer. Locate the social media icon you want to use, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or YouTube. If you have downloaded a library of icons, the matching options will appear in your folder, allowing you to select the one that fits your design. Once you have chosen your icon, click Insert. The icon will appear in your document exactly where your cursor was placed. To adjust its size, click on the icon and drag one of the corner handles. It's important to always resize from the corners rather than the sides to maintain the correct proportions and avoid any distortion, keeping your document looking professional. After inserting and resizing the icon, you can further customize it if needed. You can change its alignment, position, or even add a hyperlink so that it directs viewers to your social media profile when clicked. Properly positioning and formatting the icon ensures that your document remains clean and visually balanced, enhancing both readability and design. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily add social media icons to any Word document, making your work more polished, organized, and interactive. These icons provide a professional touch that instantly communicates your online presence without cluttering your text. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.